And all the post holes, they got to be 3 feet deep. And what I wanted to show was just a quick way to get your 3 feet. You don't want to have to keep marking. Nice as if you take your shovel, mark the shovel, and that way you'll be able to know where your 3 feet are each one. But I got a Sharpie. I'm going to take my scale here, and 3 feet's right here. My thumb there. Right at our 3 feet mark here. I'm just going to take my shovel.
My area has a lot of gravel in the dirt, so I didn't need to put any gravel in the hole. But if yours didn't, you may need to dig an extra 6 inches
about 3 feet is fine.
to put some gravel in the hole first.
Manufacturers would be a nice idea. Mark on the handle. Likely we'll get one out and off and come off, but with it being all the way around, quick easy way to know when you reach the 3 foot mark and your hole's deep enough.
Again, some areas you want to mark 3 foot 6 inches so you can put some gravel in the hole first for the frost line. And some areas you may want 1 foot of gravel. Just depends on your area.
3 feet all the way around. Good. Time to dig some holes. 3 feet holes. Now this deal only dug about 2 feet down, so I got about 1 foot more each, but at least it took off the majority of it. Yeah. And got this one stuck in a hole earlier. That was kind of crazy. It took a lot of energy to get this darn thing out, but I got it out. And now it's off to dig the holes back to the breaker bar and the shovel. Let's get to 3 feet. Line we can see. So what I'm doing is basically breaking up the dirt in 3 of them at a time. I marked my breaker bar, small line right here
With my knife.
where I can see the 3 foot mark, and then I marked my shovel the same so I can break it up and dig it out. And what I do is like 4 or 5 holes at the same time, so break them up. That way I don't have to keep setting the breaker bar down. I'd rather set it in the end hole as I get to it, and then scoop all the dirt out, and then break it up, go another way, scoop all the dirt out, break it up, and go the other way. And that way I'm leaving my shovel and the breaker bar in the hole and just transferring rather than picking it up off the ground every time for no reason. With this hole, then now going back 3 holes here, and then I've also marked my shovel. I showed you earlier how far I need to dig. So that's the 3 foot mark. So now I'm going through and scooping out each hole until I get it. Coming back with the breaker bar until we get to a good amount, about a bit lower than my mark. This one on here, I'm like just a tiny bit below my mark, and I'll just straighten it up a bit to make sure it's a 5-inch post, 5-inch square. So I want to make sure that every which way that it's, just the tiniest bit below my line here. Otherwise, I want this sitting below so that the bottom of the fence, so there's not gaps below it. I see a lot of vinyl fences where there's huge gaps below. I'd rather have it be like this, where I don't have these huge gaps underneath the fence. I don't like it when there's things for squirrels and rabbits to come in. They're gonna dig anyway, but I want to eliminate it as much as possible. At least that's how I like it.
I should tell you though, the manufacturer recommends put in the bottom rail 2 inches above the ground. Again, not how I like it, but they obviously recommend that for a reason. Just not how I'm choosing to do it. That part's up to you on how you do yours. Which explains why I see so many with gaps below them. My guess is the gap may allow for frost heave, something along those lines, which I don't think will be much of an issue in my area.
Got my deal all lined up there on my holes. This one I'm going to be taking out a little to the side as a little bit of a design. Come around. So that one's going to be a little offset here. This one, got all these lined up where I'm below. Shovel. All the way. Yeah, right on there's my little dot as I marked off 8 feet. Each one. So this one needs to be right here. It's good. This one might be a little bit tricky. I may need to shave off a little on the backside. Drop my deal in, and I definitely need to go a little bit deeper. It doesn't show so much on film, but if you take this, I need to go another, looks like another 3 or 4 inches lower. So, yep, we'll get there. But I don't need to go over anymore, just need to go straight. Now it's time to bust out the level, as I've got it where I want it. You did it. Bye.